What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to pair your Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2nd Gen. Before we get into the video, make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Let's get into it. To pair your Bose Ultra 2 headphones, you're going to find the Bluetooth button at the bottom here, and you're going to press and hold for a couple seconds until this white light flashes a couple times. It means that the headphone is powered on. The headphones need to be powered on in order for it to go into pairing mode, and then you're going to press and hold the Bluetooth button for a few more seconds until this light begins flashing blue. And there you go, you are now in pairing mode. If it's giving you a hard time and you are still unable to pair with your device, make sure that you go into your settings menu of that device and forget the headphones so it can repair properly. So this was my video on how to pair your Bose QuietComfort Ultra 2 headphones. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to like and subscribe. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Thank you. Take care.